Edmund! Edmund!
You spin the elephant? Spin that elephant. Spin that elephant. You see it. Can you spin it? Spin that elephant. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Oh. Big sneezes.
Bless
Where's that elephant?
you.
There we go.
You like your new outfit?
Now you're a big boy. No more baby outfits. Until tomorrow.
Hello. Say hi.
This is a toy he can hold on to. You show everybody how you can hold your rattle now? Look. You hold it. You hold it. Not when the camera's going. You got it! Yay!
Oh, and it's gone. Okay.